Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today is 26th of January, and this is a new release of the daily overview of the Forex and cryptocurrency markets from Trade Hub, and me, leading analyst Mikhail. Please subscribe to our free Telegram and Facebook channels to be always aware of everything that happens. And we will start with a pair of euro-dollar. The main option remains in force. Also, the alternative is still valid. I have sales made in this area. They are all protected by a short stop behind the second wave. If the downward option will be confirmed, I will increase sales. As for the franc dollar, after the extended flat in the second wave, we get first impulse upward wave. If you have purchases, then the stop can be placed under the top of the second wave. For the pound dollar, I return to the option with the triangle in wave 4 of this period, and now I assume the presence of an ending diagonal within which we are expecting the last pips upward impulse, and after this we will get a reversal for this pair. For the Canadian dollar, I assume an ending diagonal, and I suppose that there is still the last decline in the wave 5 of 5. If the growth continues and crosses the level which is marked on the chart, this count won't be relevant anymore, and we will look for points to enter purchases. Dollar Japanese yen. For this pair, we get a correction in the form of a double zigzag within the second wave, and it looks like we get first upward impulse, and if you have purchases, then the stop is also below the top of the second wave. The Australian dollar continues to lead the main option with waves 1 and 2 in downward direction. Confirmation of a further decline is also a breakout of the red level, which is marked on the chart. Also, this whole structure now resembles as a triangle, but for this case we have a short stop behind the top of the second wave. As for WTI crude oil, most likely we will get wave 4 in the form of double zigzag, and we will have a final growth within the 5 of 5. As for S&P index, we have a clear zigzag in downward direction, so I assume that we have waves 1 and 2 in upward direction and the growth will continue. In the gold market, it looks like we will complicate wave B to a double zigzag, as I warned about in previous reviews. To continue the decline, we need to break through this level, which is marked on the chart. And the last for today, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is formed double zigzag, so I expect a reversal soon and the beginning of growth in the area of $40,000–$45,000. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was useful for you. See you tomorrow.